Hi, what's going on, guys? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today we got a case study for a commercial cleaning company that we just brought on in the last 30 days, right? So they started on June 26th, so just about 30 days. Today's July 26th. This is our first 30 days of data. It's pretty wild for the commercial cleaning space, considering how lucrative these contracts are that come in. Oh, sorry, excuse me. My Frankenstein mug. So before I get into that, I wanted to say, just if you're new to the channel, subscribe. We have case studies and Google Ads trainings like this every day being dropped. If you are a commercial cleaning company and you need lead generation, we can clone this campaign. It's a template. We have these dozens of these all across the entire country that we clone. We'll clone what works, put your information in, roll it out to your location, and set up your lead generation system exactly the same as this. Everything we do is extremely repeatable. If that's of interest, then you can fill out an application link in the description below this video, and we can see if your market's still available. Unfortunately, we can only work with 2 companies per market, so we can determine that after you submit an application. All right, let's get into it because this is really cool. Last 30 days, brand new client, commercial cleaning. They have a budget of $75 a day, Monday through Friday. In the commercial cleaning niche, it's safe to say that $75 is probably the lowest you should be running. Maybe you can get away with $60 a day, Monday through Friday. Again, this is not 7 days a week, only Monday through Friday. But I highly recommend that you start at $75 just because you'll launch faster and get leads quicker. So good budget, healthy budget. They've gotten 435 clicks, 2,757 impressions, 15.78% click-through rate. Average cost per click is $3.44, which is insane in the commercial cleaning space. Total they spent on Google Ads in the first 30 days was $1,497. They've gotten 27 leads at a cost per lead of $55. The conversion rate is 6.21%, so not great conversion rate, but that's something that's being split tested right now. But cost per lead and lead volume we are extremely happy with. So if we go into the ad group level here, you'll see where all the conversions are coming from. Just give that 1 second. Google is running really slow today. There we go. So janitorial services, office cleaning, pretty much all the leads. And then we have a bunch of geo ad groups for locations. Obviously, you can see this is around Atlanta area, Marietta, Sandy Springs. So if we go into keywords, we'll see what's sending all the leads. We'll see here. Office cleaning companies, office cleaning services, janitorial services. Janitorial services, exact and phrase match is all we're running. Janitorial company, janitorial services prices, office cleaning services, office building cleaning services. So these are big time leads that are coming in. These are not like somebody looking to get residential cleaning for their house. Again, this is a commercial cleaning client, but that kind of stuff can still come through. So that's why it's important you have a gigantic negative keyword list to block out all the residential stuff. And that's why we use exact and phrase match instead of broad match, because broad match will just bring in so much garbage. So great first 30 days. I mean, 27 leads, that's awesome. Now let's go see if they're phone calls or contact form submissions or what they are, because we are tracking both. Let's see what this says. Looks like we got 17 contact form leads and 10 phone calls. So there are other things being tracked, but we're not tracking these as leads in the campaign. This is from the Google My Business listing, but it's on the location extension. That's why it's showing that leads came in from it. But we're not tracking that as results for the campaign. So we've gotten 17 form submissions and 10 phone calls. Now, phone call conversion action is something that's defined as they click the ad, come to the landing page, and they call one of the tracking numbers on the page. And every number on the page is a tracking number, so we know where it's coming from. So 10 phone calls, 17 form submissions. That's a great start, great first 30 days for this guy. If we go into devices, let's see where his leads are coming from. Look at that. 22 leads came from mobile phones, 5 came from desktop. Nice $30 lead price from desktop. I don't know why that's negative. We should definitely get rid of that. So I'm happy with these results. These are great first 30 days. We have a nice solid data set collection. So the next thing we're going to do would be to start trimming fat off the campaign, which would just simply be sorting by keywords. And let's see if we're getting crushed anywhere. So this keyword is 0 for 11. That's a loser. Get rid of that. 0 for 9. Get rid of that. 8 I wouldn't do anything with. But this lead cost here, this is high. It's $180 a lead. That's way too much for commercial cleaning. So I'd pause that too. By doing this, we're going to be lowering the overall cost per lead. This is just one facet of how you do that. And then again, it's device bidding and doing all that. Sorry guys, hang with me for a sec because I kind of want to go through this. Looks good. We did devices. Just want to check their ad schedule. It's a good ad schedule. All right, cool. Looks good. Yep. So that's all I got for you guys. Again, this is a brand new client. They just came on like 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, something like that. So great first 30 days, and I can't wait to see where this goes the next 30 days. I'll have to make another case study, an update video. Again, if you are a commercial cleaning company and you want us to clone this template and roll it out in your location to generate leads for your commercial cleaning business, just fill out the application link below, and we'll see if your market's taken or not. Other than that, I will see you guys in tomorrow's case study video.